Hi everyone, I'm Xuanming from Takia 2 Daycare Center. You might remember me as the silver medalist last year, but let's get to the topic. The title is Parcel Delivery, where you see the delivery of some parcels. It starts off with the factory bot preparing to put the parcel in the truck, but has to avoid cones since there is maintenance, and there is the delivery truck. It has to deliver 3 parcels to 2 houses, but has to avoid a cone on the road. Let me show you the characters: the factory bot, the truck, the cones, the mailboxes, the parcel distributor, and some parcels with one that's squarish. That's all. Bye, and also thank you.